Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use Phantom Wallet Devnet. Phantom Wallet is a popular digital wallet designed for the Solana blockchain, allowing users to store, send, and receive Solana and other Solana-based tokens. The Devnet is a testing environment where developers can test their applications without risking real assets. To get started, you need to download and install the Phantom Wallet browser extension from the official Phantom Wallet website. Once installed, click on the Phantom Wallet icon in your browser toolbar and select Create New Wallet. Follow the prompts to create a new wallet, making sure to save your seed phrase in a secure location. Next, switch to the Devnet by clicking on the Network drop-down menu and selecting Devnet. This will allow you to interact with the Solana Devnet. To fund your Devnet wallet, go to the Solana Devnet Faucet website and follow the instructions to request airdrop Devnet Sol. This will give you the necessary funds to test and experiment with on the Devnet. Now that your wallet is set up and funded, you can start exploring the Phantom Wallet interface. The wallet is divided into several sections, including the account overview, transaction history, and token balances. You can send and receive Sol and other tokens by clicking on the Send and Receive buttons. To send a transaction, simply enter the recipient's address, select the token and amount you want to send, and confirm the transaction. You can also connect to Devnet applications by clicking on the Connect to App button and selecting the application you want to interact with. Best practices for using Phantom Wallet Devnet include always keeping your seed phrase secure, being cautious when interacting with unknown applications, and regularly updating your wallet software to ensure you have the latest security patches and features. In conclusion, using Phantom Wallet Devnet is a straightforward process that allows developers to test and experiment with Solana-based applications in a risk-free environment. By following these steps and best practices, you can get started with Phantom Wallet Devnet and begin exploring the possibilities of the Solana ecosystem.